After a legendary 380-day title reign with the Women's World Championship, the Nightmare Rhea Ripley has vacated her title belt on tonight's edition of WWE Raw. Ripley didn't vacate the title on her own free will but was forced by WWE to do so. Last week, Liv Morgan viciously attacked Rhea Ripley in a backstage area and it caused her a legitimate injury. Due to the injury, Rhea Ripley will be out of action for an undisclosed period of time. On tonight's edition of Raw, an emotional Rhea Ripley vacated her Women's World title, and by the end of her promo, she was seething with anger. She made it clear that she wanted to attack and brutalize her rival Liv Morgan. A brawl almost broke out between the two fierce rivals before WWE's security separated the duo. I noticed some interesting parallels between Rhea Ripley's heartbreaking Raw moment and what happened with Becky Lynch 4 years ago on WWE Raw. Let's check out some interesting parallels between these two heartbreaking situations involving Becky Lynch and Rhea Ripley. Becky Lynch defeated Charlotte Flair and Ronda Rousey at WrestleMania 35 in 2019 to win the Raw and SmackDown Women's Championships. Rhea Ripley defeated Charlotte Flair at WrestleMania 39 to win the SmackDown Women's Championship. Both Becky Lynch and Rhea Ripley successfully defended their respective titles for about a year. Becky Lynch then successfully defended her Raw Women's title against Shayna Baszler at WrestleMania 36, while Rhea Ripley successfully defended her Women's World Championship against Becky Lynch at WrestleMania 40. Due to her pregnancy, Becky Lynch had to vacate her Raw Women's Championship and she handed it to Asuka on an episode of Raw in an emotional moment. Due to a legitimate injury that she suffered after being attacked by Liv Morgan, Rhea Ripley was forced to vacate her Women's World title on tonight's episode of Raw. Becky Lynch made her big WWE return a year after her pregnancy and defeated Bianca Belair at SummerSlam. It remains to be seen what happens with Rhea Ripley when she makes her big return to WWE TV. Several top WWE names have reacted to Rhea Ripley's heartbreaking moment on Raw via their social media handles. Liv Morgan sent out several messages, one of which was this. Former WWE superstar Summer Rae wrote the following: "Oh, poor Rhea. So what now? Eliminator matches? Bracket tournament? I know someone." Larry sends his kisses, Rhea Ripley WWE, wrote CM Punk on his official Instagram handle story. Buddy Matthews wrote the following on Twitter: "Thank you, Mommy. I promise I'll make sure she comes back bigger, better than ever. Thank you, Mommy." WWE Hall of Famer and former WWE Women's Champion Trish Stratus wrote the following: "Congrats on a spectacular reign, Rhea Ripley. With a meteoric rise and a schedule that matched it, turn this into some much deserved me time which is hard to come by in our world. Take it, live a little life, then come back and continue to blaze that trail. No doubt the embers will still be burning." WWE CCO Triple H wrote the following on Twitter: "Absolutely no doubt in my mind that Rhea Ripley will come back tougher, stronger, and more dominant than ever. Thank you, Rhea, for a reign that the entire WWE universe can be proud of."